MarketChameleon.com. I'm Adam. That's Will. What's up, my man?
Just trying to get through another day with this technology.
Hey, man, I remember the blue screen. Do you guys remember the blue screen back in the old days on your PC when it would just turn off or go to blue? Hey, Will's got the blue cup. I got the chameleon cup. I'm a true chameleon.
I owe someone a chameleon cup. I got to get that
shipped out, man. Remember, if you guys are watching on MarketChameleon.com right now, click the subscribe button, top right-hand corner. You guys can try this data and analytics free for 7 days. Will, Will's already sharing his screen. Look at that, everybody. Will is on top of it. Good job, bro. Everybody remember, option trading, all trading is risky. We are absolutely not telling you what to do. We're just giving you some ideas, looking at the market, and teaching you how to use the Chameleono. You gonna make that screen big? Yeah, Will got it, dude. Tech, he got his tech right, man. You can do it, bro.
Oh.
I believe in you.
Oh.
What do we got going on today, man?
What? Just too much tech. Too much tech. Speaking of tech, the semiconductors. Oof.
Brutal.
Large upside call activity in a triple bear yesterday. 21,000 contracts.
What's a triple bear? What does that mean?
It's supposed to perform 3 times to the upside as the underlying products go to the downside. So if the semiconductors start selling off, this thing should move 3 times their sell-off of the stocks. It's a semiconductor index, one of the index.
Gotcha. Whoa.
So a lot of times these 3 times go right to zero.
Ouch.
Yeah, they can be. I bet if we look at this chart over the history, which look at that.
Scroll down a little so we can see it better. But socks. That'll sock you in the face, man. Wow.
Yeah.
Ouchers.
3,700 down to 6.
Holy cow! How have I never heard of this thing before, man?
But anyways, and I just went to the pre-market trading, and there's a lot of decliners in the Qualcomm, NVDA, AMD. Here's the index, the SOXX. So that's triple that. MU, Intel. They're all Apple. So this is all based on Huawei and a report that came out about the chips. So you see the call volume yesterday in this triple right here. We let everyone know. I looked at both SMH. To be honest, I screened all the products to see where we could find some bearish spreads that were showing up with some edge. And one was Qualcomm, which is a direct play on the Apple.
Yep. Wait, why is it direct play on the Apple?
Well, their chips are heavily used in the Apple product. So if this chip, basically the whole movement of chips has been affected by this banning of Huawei, and it's affecting Apple. It's affecting the chip deliveries.
Gotcha.
It's going to be. They're playing it like it's going to be a big issue.
I mean, is your feeling this Huawei thing is a negotiation chip for Trump in the trade war thing?
The way they've talked about it, I would say it's actually a risk of not being part of it.
Wow.
I mean, listen,
like that just that
again,
that ban is maintained even through negotiations.
Well, I mean,
after negotiations,
if they're doing things inside the phones to spy on people.
What? Will, how dare you? Of course they're not. They're a tech company, man. You don't do that.
If they're an agent of well,
yeah, it's basically owned by the Chinese government, at least a large portion of it, right?
As is everything in China, right?
Yeah. Yep.
As is everything in China. Anyways, if you want to play, these chips, unfortunately, I tend to like the chips for a bounce, but you can't argue with what's going on, and could.
Well, look, if Huawei isn't sold here, something else will be sold. People will still buy phones, So isn't Qualcomm going to be in that phone if they make the right chip?
Speaking of that, my Apple's been really I mean, they build these things to last exactly 3 years. Is that the deal? I mean, it's amazing the amount. I mean, this was a $800 phone or something I paid for this thing.
Yeah. No, I mean, they are built to fail, man. They are absolutely 100% built to fail.
I mean,
Every
it's
one I've had, I mean, you're absolutely right. At a given time, they basically become a piece of garbage and you got to upgrade. That's just the way it is, man.
no. I mean, I've been threatening and threatening to get away from Apple.
Yep.
I feel this time I have to, just to play with another technology.
Really? Just to stretch your abilities and challenge
I
yourself?
feel like if nothing else ever comes of this options report we've been doing for almost a year, it's almost a year anniversary. We're actually going to have a year anniversary party and be together for it, aren't we?
Yeah, man. I'm going to be up there in July. I'm going to be traveling with the fam. We're going to see Will, and we will be up there on the anniversary, my man. What are we going to do, dude? We're going to do a big live show in your living room?
Sure. Well, sure.
You see the excitement, people? Man. All right, let's get back to the stocks, dude. What else?
Chameleon cups for everyone. So just be aware. The only things I could screen for that showed, putting on a bearish play with theoretical edge, win rates that we like, the upside cushion if it goes against us, and the nice returns was Qualcomm and Apple. There were some in Apple. I mean, everything else has been picked at. So there was no downside play.
Nice.
Actually, excuse me, there was one other SMH semiconductor there were a couple. So there you go from the bearish side, which is obviously in play right now and could last some time. But you are right, my friend. If they turn around, I mean, El Presidente could do anything he wants. Anything. As I'm looking at the pre-market, I don't know. Did you see? I'm going to mispronounce this. I know. Fervor went public. Is it Fiverr?
I believe it's. Well, apparently we're having one of these every day. Yesterday was Vagan for vegan. Today is Fever. Is it Fever? Is that the website? Fever, I think it's called. I believe it's called. Oh, you mean Fiverr?
Fiverr.
Fiverr. Yeah. What about Fiverr? What's up? Fiverr. Hence the name was you could get something done for $5. That was their pitch, early pitch. So what's up with Fiverr?
Was it really? Well,
yeah.
It was issued to the public yesterday.
Ooh.
Lots of IPOs in the marketplace, which actually made me want to talk about one which I just noticed was in the most active this morning, and maybe it's this IGC.
Yep.
And
well, Fiverr's interesting. If anybody's ever used it, I've used it a ton. Fiverr's the starting price, right? So you get what you pay for, but it's a place where you can go and hire freelancers. So you want art design, you want whatever, you want the Chameleon logo done. There you go. They do that sort of stuff. Actually, I believe you had the Chameleon logo done. I needed it like chopped up and repurposed and stuff. Hired a guy, $5 later, 10 minutes later, boom, it's done. They're pretty amazing, man. You need a website, whatever. You need website upgraded, anything, really.
Let me ask you something. Could we get a bunch of Chameleon Insta tattoos made up?
Ooh. That's a great idea, man. You want some Chameleon Insta tattoos? Are you gonna? Should we get like Mike Tyson style, like around the eye?
That'd be tight. You could do it wherever you wanted, but I'm wondering, can you get those made? Like you send those and you get a couple thousand little, so you can give them to kids, send them as fun little Chameleon tattoos.
My gut says you can get anything done these days, my friend. Yes.
But anyways, I was looking at it wasn't IGC, it was IAC. I was looking, and this is an entity that owns a lot of technology companies, and you got to wonder if something like this starts rolling them out. Tinder, Match.
This is the company that owns all those brands.
Yeah,
okay.
I couldn't find any spreads. Yeah, I couldn't find any spreads that showed up, but I did go look at the risk reversal.
Watch your mouth.
Yes, that's gross. I'm sorry. Anyways, you can do the risk reversal for a nice credit out in, if you wanted to collect some money and just sit on a long this way, it's one way to play it. If you're not afraid of owning the stock,
Hey,
obviously.
this is incredible, right? This is the pace of change in our society. 20 years ago, when somebody said they met their husband or wife online, it was weird. You were like, "Ooh, don't mention that." Now, it's like it's some ridiculous number. It's like 80% of people who are married initially met the person online. It's some cray number like that.
Yeah, it's funny. I was talking to a millennial the other day, and he told me, yeah, he's done with all the technology. He needs to organically meet a love. He's hunting the bars.
What
That's
an
where he's
idiot.
trying. I was like, good luck with that, brother. Good luck. Can't run away and hide from technology.
You cannot. Why would you want to? This is amazing, dude. We're reaching the world. Hey, Jay's got, oh man, we got people in the chat hitting us up. They want to know about different things. Everybody, thanks for joining us all over the world. We are worldwide. Got a friend saying AVGO. You want to hit up AVGO? What is AVGO? I have even no idea what that is, man.
Avago? That sounds like another tech company. That's
AVGO.
The old BRCD, I think, in the old days, symbol change.
Broadcom. Okay.
But still, I mean, that's another one we could go bearish on with the tech space.
We're hitting it up for you, Jay. Let's see what we got here, man. I don't know where Jay is, but probably on Twitter. All my friends on Twitter love you guys. Chameleonos, we're worldwide, man. We are literally streaming to all platforms. All our friends on YouTube, Facebook.
Nothing's showing, but I mean, nothing showed up in the spread screener, but the stock's down. I mean, I'm assuming the order flow has been bullish. Let's fight that right now.
So we got trouble.
Well, I would stay away from everything bullish right now.
Yeah.
They have some interesting moves at the FOMC meeting, which is coming up. But just the way these things are acting, I would not play anything in any of these stocks on the bullish side.
Yeah. Oh, hey, let's put this one in because this one was asked a couple days ago. I think you spaced on it, man.
Don't say
RH, man. RH, my man.
Don't say RH. Oh, someone's going to be angry. Up $15. There was
Yeah. Did you send out tweets on that? You promised a tweet storm on RH. Did that happen?
You know what? I misunderstood RH. I thought he said 5. I went to the Five Below store. Is that a bad move?
Dude, how many times a week are you at the Five Below store now?
A lot. A lot. I don't have a restoration hardware. I don't live in that type of high-end community.
Oh, really? Is it a nice?
You got to live simple. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm sure there's a restoration hardware. I mean, that's been an amazing run.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Wow. What happened yesterday? Look at Will working it. Look at him working a magic on the Chameleon, guys. Check this out. This is how the pro trader does it.
They had earnings, is what they had.
Okay.
Their earnings are obviously good. I mean, we can do
You see how he can't? You see everybody? He can't talk and search.
There are lots of there are lots of opportunities to look at spreads in RH with the theoretical edge, high win rates, cushion to the downside.
Oh, chat's giving you hell for the 5-store tweets you did yesterday, man. Mike says it's really creative to show us the tags in the 5 stores.
At least he saw the video. Maybe one day you'll be able to send smell.
Hey, man. Video. Hey, he did show us stuff of his random sampling. Everything was made in China. So I'd say good job, bro. Well done. Wouldn't it have been funny if you flipped one over and it was like Paris, France?
I left there. My hand smelled like China.
What else we got, man?
After that, I'm done. that just destroyed me. That just destroyed me.
Did baby's feelings get hurt?
Amazon down this morning on news that I mean, this has been out so many times that Alexa is recording. They're like, Amazon is recording children without their permission.
Oh my God.
So
Children cannot consent to Amazon recording them, guys.
stocks down.
Dude,
I
when
mean,
are we going to get over this, man?
just
Come on, people.
use this opportunity to look at bullish spreads in Amazon is all I can say. I mean, everyone should be aware that everything's being recorded. If you're using one of those devices,
Yes.
I mean, and listen, I was the last one I thought to understand it, but obviously I'm still in the minority who understand it, that the only way AI works is being used, right?
Massive
And
amounts of data. Massive amounts of data.
It's with the drive and everything. And it's with shopping patterns. It's why they want to get on your phones and be a cookie.
Oh my God, absolutely, dude.
But anyways, lots of bullish opportunities in Amazon if you want to take this sell-off to get long using some spreads.
Absolutely. I mean, look at this, guys. When was it? 2 days ago, right? I'm looking for a new POS, point of sale system for Raw Botanicals, my cosmetic company. I'm searching for it on Google. The next day on Twitter, I'm on my Twitter. As far as I know, Twitter's not owned by Google. The next day on Twitter, I'm getting fed up ads for literally the products whose site I clicked on the day before. So they know what we're doing. This is not random, guys. They're trying to sell us stuff. Okay.
On my phone, it was something I saw on, someone posted it in LinkedIn, and I sent it to you through WhatsApp.
Yep.
That basketball trainer.
Yeah.
For your kids, you can buy a basketball.
Yeah, and help you learn to dribble, ball skills. Yep.
Yeah, you put your iPad in front of it or your phone on a stand, and it watches you and tells you what to do. And
so you saw it on LinkedIn.
I saw it on LinkedIn. WhatsApp. Sent it to you, and I do think I went to their website.
Yep.
But now it's appearing in my Instagram feed. I don't know if anyone's following me on Instagram.
Yep.
Is it The Market Chameleon?
The Market Chameleon on Instagram. You can be a top 100 follower right now if you go there right now. Because it's going to blow
It's showing up whenever I look at that.
Yeah.
And it's showing up in my Facebook
sure.
story.
Yep. It's basically somehow they're able to read your cookies, right? And they're able to do that. They look at your cookie history.
Yeah, and to be honest, I'm thinking about buying it. I just have to see it 500 more times.
By the way, they are still calling for your weight loss tips, my man. What are you at right now? Let's do a weight check-in, man. Well, we'll do it in a second. You get to show your belly in a second. Everybody stay tuned for that belly showing. There will be a reveal shortly.
Not until the tattoos come out and I have a tattoo there will I ever show my belly. Once someone gets those tattoos made for us or lets us know where we can get them, I will then put a tattoo on my belly and show it live.
Yep. That's going to be amazing.
But anyways, I do have a video that was just emailed me. I'll have to find and send out. But it was the gym I've been working out in before the market opens, and they actually got a video without my permission. I must say, I don't know if that's a lawsuit, but it's been time spent, sweating. Actually, has been the.
Wait, what's this video about? Are you saying it's like a fast forward of you working out?
It was the coach who's doing the class training, the CrossFit, and caught me on video, and I was the first one of that class that they videoed.
Oh, I see.
So everyone was heckling me because I am the worst in
the
class.
You're doing burpees, or as we call them, fatties.
Well, they call me wormy because I look like a worm when I do a burpee. It's disgusting.
So what do we got in Disney? Anything in Disney?
Disney higher highs. Price targets changed. 165. One analyst said today. We've talked about it. They're saying Disney 2.4% as Morgan Stanley boosts target.
Yeah, I mean, Disney, look, they're doing a lot of good moves right now. I mean, obviously, I just think it's pretty clear that they're grabbing the share. Their move to grab Hulu, you got to like that. What they're doing, they're looking to dominate, and who doesn't like that, man?
Yep, lots of plays in the spreads to the upside. Theoretical edge, win rates, cushion to the downside. Is there going to be any downside in Disney? Returns to the upside. What's
All
wrong?
it is one bad Aladdin movie away, but they keep pushing out hits, man. Who would have thought that Will Smith movie would be a hit? But here it is, man.
What movie's that?
Aladdin, man. Come on. You haven't seen it yet? Heard very positive reviews.
Do you go to the theater still? It's hard to believe.
I got a 12-year-old.
And he's like, Poppy, take me to the movies.
No, actually, it's a social thing, right? You go, you meet friends. It's social.
I mean, it is
social experiences, guys. What your general feeling, your market, you should be looking at. Okay, what are social experiences that people still do and still want to do? Whatever. Last night you watched that hoops game, right? I never watch basketball, but I tuned in for it last night because you're going to get an emotional thrill or disappointment or something. You're going to feel something when you watch live basketball.
Well, that's one of the things Twitter's been able to capitalize on is people get some sort of emotional attachment to tweeting back and forth about what's going on during live events.
Yep. You're engaged.
Yeah. No, much like going to the supermarket to touch an orange. Everyone's got their own.
Hey, it's all choices, man. Whatever floats your boat, dude. If you like going there, I've told people your main social outlet is going to the grocery store. Most people laugh at you, but hey, if it's for you, it's for you, man. There's no accounting for taste.
Thanks, buddy. Goldman, Morgan Stanley, the banks. I do. I mean, we haven't talked about him in a while. I mean, Morgan Stanley's trading at book. You could buy the stocks or you could play through some spreads. No need to even go through the spread screen. I'll just tell you, there are lots of opportunities to put on bullish spreads in all three of these. And
wait.
I don't know.
That PE be right, dude, right there?
That's probably incorrect.
Yeah,
but the
PEs
are low. And I mean, we talked about these IPOs. I mean, it seems like every day there's another IPO. These banks are getting rewarded for them, getting rewarded for the trading. The only thing you don't like is that interest rates keep going down, which isn't great for the banks making money in their spread. But just another thing to look at. Last thing I did.
Well, one thing where you're just rewards for the company. They take a very small cut of that $5. And they've tacked it up over time, but it's not like they get it's like 30 cents on the $5. It's not like I would seriously doubt they're profitable coming into the IPO. Am I correct in that?
No, none of them. There's been one profitable entity that's come in any of these IPOs. They're all on a road to profitability.
Dude, why aren't we taking the Chameleon public? You guys anybody want to take this Chameleon public?
That was like everyone just stopped chatting.
Ed's thinking the Slack IPO might be a winner. That might be so. There's a product I know a lot of people use. A lot of my tech friends use Slack. That's for sure.
Big in the tech community.
Yep.
Software as a service, baby. Yep. Anyways, I went through the option block trade screener and screened for average daily volume of any trade 100%. So that's twice the average daily volume. Trading conditions, auto execution, intermarket sleep are regular. And I wanted to get notional above 100 grand. And we got down to, there were, 40,000 total entries. So got down to 17. Two that interested me because there were opportunities was this KNX, their spread opportunities, and ELY. Which is Callaway Golf. Do you want to play a golf?
That's weird you mentioned that, my man.
Why?
I had a dream last night.
About golfing?
About Tiger. It was a tragedy.
Whoa. This is a bullish play, by the way.
Oh! Hey, everybody, head on a swivel. When I have a dream, it always comes true.
That would not be bullish. So, anyways, do your screens. Do your screens in ELY, and this is Night Transport, I think.
Callaway got an activist bid. One of our chatters is letting us know.
There you go.
Hence the move. Thanks, chat. Dude, that's why I love the chameleons, man. They come out of the woodwork and they give us tips and hints. This is the best, dude.
They share their experiences. It's nothing better than that. Nothing better.
Knight Swift Transportation. Man, another winner. Everybody bringing the heat today, man. Chat helping us. Everybody will bringing the heat.
TGI.
One day you'll have your Chameleon Cup, man. What do you got today? Let's see that thing again.
It was a gift from a friend from Holland.
Hey, that's chip. What do you got? A big chip in that thing, man?
It's like
you've got 800 chameleon cups in your garage. You can't get a Chameleon Cup without a big old chip in it. Look at him drinking out of that chip cup, man.
Those are for chameleons. They're not for my family's use. I owe a guy in Dover, Delaware, a Chameleon Cup has to go out today.
Amazing. Hey, guys, if you're on the Chameleano, top right-hand corner, click that link, click the subscribe button. Try it free for 7 days. You can all join us this Sunday, having another live webinar, premium members only with Jay Soloff, volatility, professional volatility trader. So if all you chameleons who are premium members join us, that's 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. If you are not a premium chameleon member, click that subscribe button. Try it free. You get to join. I'll send you an email Sunday morning. You can still join us for the live show.
And you'll send him a Chameleon Cup for Father's Day, right?
Why not, man? Sign up today. You get a free Chameleon Cup. Hit me up, Adam at MarketChameleon.com. All right, baby.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Great weekend. Happy day trading. Later. See you Monday.